Determine the set C is equals to x is in R is such that 2x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is less than to 1. We have to find out what is C for all x. Okay, so we note that x is in C, which implies that 2x plus 1 upon x plus 2 minus 1, which is less than to 0, right? After solving this, we have this. Now we know that if AB is less than to 0, then either A is less than to 0 or B is greater than to 0, right? Or second case, A is greater than to 0 or B is less than to 0. Why? When it is which is less than to 0, that is in minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, then it should be always minus 1. It is less than to 0. And the second one is A is this and B is equals to 1. The product of this is minus 1, that is less than to 0, right? So in this case also, now if this let A is equals to x minus 1, B is equals to 1 over x plus 2. So by first case, x minus 1 is less than to 0, 1 over x plus 2 is greater than to 0, right? That is the case. Now 1 over x plus 2, it is not a B, it is B. So 1 over x plus 2 is greater than 0, then 2 is also greater than to 0, right? X is less than to 1, 1 over x plus 2, the x plus 2 is greater than to 0, x is less than 1, x is greater than to minus 2, right? So this satisfied this condition. Now in the second case, if A is equals to this, x minus 1 is greater than to 0, 1 over x plus 2 is less than to 0, right? So if this is less than to 0, then the reciprocal of this also is less than to 0, right? How? When you take minus 1 by 2, you minus 1 by 3, which is less than to 0, then minus 2 is always less than to 0, right? This gives you x is greater than to 1, x plus 2 is less than to 0, x is greater than to 1, x is less than to minus 2. That is not satisfied in this condition, where in this x minus 1 upon x plus 2 is less than to 0. There is not satisfaction for this. Okay, so we conclude that this is the only possibility for C. That is the answer.